Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to refer a friend on Skrill. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the add, transfer and exchange. And in the bottom tabs, we have 5 of them. We have the home, card, crypto, sports, and the rewards tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and refer a friend on Skrill. So referring a friend on Skrill is a great way to earn rewards for both you and your friend. First of all, visit the Skrill website or open the Skrill mobile app on login to your account. Then navigate to the referral section, usually found in your account dashboard or settings. Then find your personal referral link or code with the referral section. Share your referral link with friends through, of course, email, social media, or any other method you prefer. You can monitor your referrals and the rewards you earn under the referral tab. When your friends sign up using your link and completes a qualifying transaction, both of you will receive rewards. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.